There's a lot to be said about how far subs have come over the past decade or more. The Mazda CX-9 is a prime example of a definitive move towards a premium offering without a premium price tag. The 2018 Mazda CX-9 is a huge departure from the model it replaces, and leads with Mazda's mantra of a luxury offering at a mass consumer price bracket. From the outside, it's impossible to confuse the CX-9 for anything else with its defined nose that sits pointy and further forward at the top, with a gaping mouth that proudly wears the Mazda wings. While the CX-9 kicks off from $43,890, plus on-road costs, the top-specification CX-9 Azami all-wheel drive tested here caps off the range with a price tag of $64,790, plus on-road costs. At that price point, it competes with cars like the Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, Land Rover Discovery TD4S, Mitsubishi Pajero Exceed, Nissan Pathfinder T and the Toyota Kluger Grande, two-wheel drive. So it's certainly sitting with some decent company. Powering the entire CX-9 range is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine that produces 170 kilowatts of power and 420 Nm of torque through a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The official fuel consumption figure is 8.8 liters per 100 kilometers. To put those figures into perspective, many manufacturers need to go down the path of turbocharged diesel engines to produce that kind of torque. Mazda achieves it with an efficient four-cylinder engine, which means you have the benefit of torque, the push in the back you get when you accelerate, plus fuel efficiency. In real-world testing, that's a mix of highway and city driving. We were able to achieve around 9L/100 km, which sits within cooey of the official fuel consumption claim. Don't be deceived by the stylish angles. The Mazda CX-9 is a big car. It comes in at just over 5 meters long and almost 2 meters wide. And it needs to be that size to handle the 7 passengers it caters for. If the exterior design wasn't enough for you, just wait until you experience the interior. The driver-centric cabin offers a commanding view over the road. While the car doesn't sit that much higher than a regular sedan, the seating position makes it feel like you're above traffic, which inspires confidence.